Have you been thinking about living in a tiny home? Did you ever think about living in a community? This is one of our communities that we built called The Prairie. We're offering another community in Hartsville, South Carolina with 24 home sites. $500 a month includes all your utilities, electricity, water, and sewer. Also included in that is a 20-foot by 8-foot storage container, free, goes with the lot, right? Store all your stuff on it. If you buy a house from Incredible Tiny Homes, we will set it up, we will deliver it, we'll put skirting under it, all ready to go, moved in, ready to go, all right? Take any home that we have on our website, add $6,000 to it, and that gets it delivered, set up, skirted, ready to live in, 20-foot container, free for your storage. I mean, I'm talking 20-foot container for every lot, 24 home sites.
And these lots are available now?
Right now, they're available. If you want to buy a home, it is for any new construction. We do this so we can build homes. We need to build homes. This is not for somebody who has already bought a house just yesterday and wants to put it on there. It is for people so we can build 24 more homes in our factory and keep our guys working. Yep. So if you're interested and you've been thinking about getting one of our tiny homes and wanting to put it somewhere, go to Hartsville, South Carolina. Beautiful little community. This is a husband and wife owned RV park, 24 beautiful home sites, privacy. Like I said, the 20-foot container, $500 a month, which includes all your utilities. That's all you have to have. All right, everybody. So go to our website. We'll put a link in here to another video we did that we spoke to the couple on the phone. They got exciting stuff they want to do, but it's only 24 home sites. We got a home right now for $25,000. So for $31,000, you can put that house over there, full bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, set up, delivered, skirting, done. You guys are ready to live in the home. 3 years guaranteed, rent won't go up, and you got the 20-foot storage container. Give us a call. We've been getting bombarded with calls. People say, I want to buy your house, but I have nowhere to put them. We are coming up with lots. We're coming up with home sites to put these homes. All right? IncredibleTinyHomes.com, info@IncredibleTinyHomes, and sales@IncredibleTinyHomes. Give us an email, give us a call, 423-438-0111. Thank you.